Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Overall Solutions. Our today's video is about Wacom Tab or one by Wacom Tab again. That how we can use your Wacom Tab while using MS Word, MS Excel and MS PowerPoint. So it is very useful when you are studying online or you are teaching online, you are presenting your screen, then you can easily highlight your things, you can easily point over the things on your PPTs, on your MS Word documents or Excel spreadsheet. I hope guys you all have seen my previous videos that are on unboxing one by Wacom Creative Pen tablet, and second video was on how to download and install drivers from internet and how to attach your Wacom One tab with your laptop or PC. So let us start today's video. So first of all, I will show you how to start using your One by Wacom tab using PowerPoint. So you can see I have opened PowerPoint here and there is one slide PPT, and I will just start the slideshow. So just remember that if you want to use the One by Wacom tab with your PPT, then you have to start the slideshow first. Okay, after that just press three buttons at the same time: Control button, plus button and P button on your keyboard. So once you will just do it, you will see that your mouse pointer will become a dot. This dot will show you on screen where you are using your pen, or touch pen. So this is very simple guys. Just open your PPT, start the slideshow, press three buttons on your keyboard: Control button, plus button and P button at the same time. Your mouse pointer will become a dot that will help you to draw over your PPT slide. So this is how we can use your Wacom One tab using your PowerPoint presentation. Now let us know how to start using your Wacom One tab in your MS Word. So guys, I just want to tell you one thing, that the method is same in your MS Excel and in your MS Word, but in PowerPoint the method is different. So you will just have to learn the method in your MS Word, and the same method you can apply in the MS Excel too. So for MS Word, you just have to open the MS Word, you can create any new document and then just go to Review tab. So you all can see I have clicked on the Review tab, and on the ribbon at the last you will see there is an option Start Inking. Just click on this option. Once you will click on Start Inking option, then it means that your tab has been attached with your MS Word document. So if I will write anything on my tab now, you can see I can write it here also on my MS Word document. So this is very simple guys. So many options are there that you can easily use, like highlighter option is there. If you want to highlight the things with any color, like yellow color, mostly we use the yellow color to highlight the things, you can use that color. Then eraser option is there, ballpoint option is there, and then color option, different colors you can choose, different sizes you can choose from here. So that's up to you guys. And if you want to just remove the attached pen tablet with your MS Word, then just click on the Close Ink tool. That's it. So this is the method how you can use your Creative Pen tablet One by Wacom with your MS Word as well as with your MS Excel. So the method will be same. So guys, I hope you all have liked my video. Stay with us for this kind of knowledgeable videos, and we will make another videos for you all. And thank you for watching us. Please do subscribe to our channel Overall Solutions. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.